Are you kidding me, dude? All right, Ravencoin, second target of the trade setup achieved. It's up 31%. Hype in the freaking chat. Hello, traders. Welcome to the stream where just moments ago, Ravencoin hit the second target and it concluded the trade setup, really. That is from the entry an 88% gain. That was posted mid-February near the bottom of the inflection zone, right? So you are now nearing the top of that, the trading range between, 1.72 cents all the way up to nearly 4 cents. They have a break 4.2 cents. We're in another world. That's where Ravencoin's probably going to 7.7 cents. So rejoice. Rejoice. On a day where Bitcoin's really pretty flat after the re-breakout yesterday of 69K. 30%, man. Okay, let's have an alert set up if things keep going crazy here. All right, here's your Bitcoin on the daily. Any day above 69K is a good day. Broke out yesterday. No back test. Thought we'd be seeing 69K, but too close. What did we get to? We got to 69,257. It's still in the cards. Maybe we see it tomorrow or something, but either way, man, it's great. I don't want to add any sort of trepidation to you, but we do have a completed bearish Gartley, or close to it. That's a 78% retrace from the previous high to low. That's pretty close to a 61.8% retrace. I think it was like a 57, 58% retrace with the higher low there. So there was some sort of reaction, at least last night to now, but insignificant time scale. Gotta wonder.
And I will take this channel out of the trenches to Valhalla, make it great again.
Does the audio sound weird? Donnie, thank you for the contribution, the Tangia, but dude, that sounded really, really bad. Okay, I'm not crazy. All right, so today's the day. It's not completed yet. Still working on an audio file for it, but if you tip $3.00 $3.00 via Stream Elements, not Super Chat, because you can't. It's stupid. They don't let you use cents. So $3. It's a new variation, or maybe it's not a new variation. Maybe it's something we've known all along. Yeah, it did sound like Trump was sick. He had COVID. China to me. China has been replaced. COVID's gone. It's done. Okay. So, I don't know. Doesn't it, to me, anytime Bitcoin's above a previous cycle top, all-time high, colors are more vivid, smells are stronger, colors are brighter. I already say that?
Hey Mitch, based on recent news for KuCoin Exchange, the KCS coin is taking a hit on KuCoin officials running from government. Damn.
Yeah, we can't have nice things, dude. We can't. That's the problem, man. Like, why do you never do affiliate marketing for exchanges? And why do you never use exchange? Like, why do you not, like, promote things? Like, this is why. Because you just don't know when the rug's gonna get pulled due to regulation or whatever. It's too high of risk. Yeah, KuCoins. Days are numbered by the looks of it. The U.S. government wants to make your days numbered. They are numbered. Like XRP, they're going to try to bankrupt XRP. So, yeah, it's bad. But it was pretty cool how it did reverse. There was a technical indicator.
+3s.
Jay, thanks for the 3, dude. And you were the first person in human history for the new variation. Hive in the chat. Double tap. I don't know if I should make it say me saying double tap or him initiating shorts. I don't have a sound clip of it yet. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out, man. Yeah, I don't know what it is. No, Brad, it's just wrecked.
Roy G.
Something's going
Biv.
on. Andrew 2. Or should I say Andrew 3. Thank you so much. I don't know what that means, but thank you. Let's just have it since it's the unveiling. And it's and Chalin hasn't gotten back to me yet, but the sprite sheet's a little off. Bobo's blinking in the jar. He's like Thanosing. He's like phasing in and out of our reality. But let's, for the theme of it, let's just do threes today. If you're going to contribute, hey, $20, just keep tipping threes. You know, if you were. If you weren't, don't tip anything, right? Of course, I'm not saying to contribute to the stream. I'm just saying if you were, just do the threes, man. Just 3.00.
$20 from Bush.
Except for
Can
Bush.
we look at
Bush
big
is allowed
time?
to
All the
tip
newts
20,
have been
I
shaken
guess,
out,
right?
but
Thank
it
you,
looks
dude.
like it's primed for upside looking at the MACD and RSI on daily.
We look at it, man. Yeah, they're just trying to confirm accumulation, kind of with a second low on the third valley. That's max pain situation. That's the way the composite man will wipe someone out. But yeah, they're holding it for now. Okay, Bitcoin rugs, we're done. But yeah, like it's fine. I mean, it really is, actually. Real quick before we get into more of this, Claire, thank you so much for the 3 months of support in the Citadel / Patreon. G-Dog, thank you for the 15 months. Y'all are amazing, okay? I'll take y'all all day over y'all are my sponsors, not any entity trying to rug you or exploit you or a ticking time bomb. Thank you. Okay. You got your 4 hour right here.
It's time for Power Hour.
We're in the last 60 minutes before the daily candle close. 43 minutes to go. Bitcoin 70,300 at the highs of the 4 hour candle right now. And that's about it. That's your update. Bitcoin, I got this supply line and demand line here. They are diverging. Imagine if they just run the price to test that supply line again in the future. My God, we're talking in the 88s. Would be wild. Don't count on it, but that would be crazy if a supply line gets respected again. The demand line was certainly respected. Okay. Ethereum, wait, hold on.
Since we started out on BitConf, let's go further into crypto.
All right, so they broke the overhead resistance with a candle close confirmed yesterday. Today they are attempting to formally back test what was once a resistance. It is now being regarded as support. So a break, a hook. But will we get the go? You just don't know, but like historically speaking, it's 4,020 is the target above 35.80.
$19.99 from the authority. Can we look at Dollar Sol? Thinking of pulling half my investment. I value your insight before I make any decisions.
That's right. Me
when
see
me
world.
president, me see world.
They see. Right, isn't it? One day they see. Thank you, Kevin, the authority.
Have a look at Dollar Night token, please.
Well, I guess we're not going to do the Bobos, the man bun Bobos. We will look at Night, another S coin we've not heard of. When Kang coin, when Quang coin, when Jester joke coin. Oh wait, they all are the jesters. Weird noises going on. No Bobo, what do you want me to do, man? Bobo's $3, 3.00. Everyone wants to tip $20 plus. And it is all welcome. Okay. So Ethereum doing something pretty interesting. Okay. If this is real, you have a $4,000 target. That's it. Literally it. Okay. Like history shows, nothing straight up, straight down. It did it recently, and it could very well do it again. That's it. They're going to keep attempting that rally if this price action is real. Okay. Let's go to BNB. What is it, BNB? BNB should be loving. I mean, BNB over there, like, hi, we already went through the ringer with the SEC and the US government. We're fine. One of our competitors just get wrecked, but it is down a little bit. Who cares? Whatever. Sideways, in between two major levels, 500 and 640. That's it. That's your update. Thank you for the Baba Buoys. First Baba Buoy in 24 hours. BNB, sideways today. Solana. Did someone like request something about Solana exactly, or hold on? We get two birds stoned at once, man. Can we look at Sol? He says. Here is Sol, sir. He's thinking about pulling half his investment. Pulling half your investment? Sol is pretty freaking awesome up here. I mean, you know, you're near the highs of the rally. I do think that eventually Sol's gonna go test all-time highs again. Based on its performance of 2024 so far, the way this is going. I just don't know when it's gonna be. I don't know if we're gonna get a retrace yet. I mean, I own some G-Sol from way lower, you know, like in my IRA. Just, I mean, I think Sol's going higher eventually, but well, the question is, like, if you were gonna take out half of your Sol and put it into cash, where would you reallocate it? That's the question. Yesterday, it could have been Vara. Veroccoin, holy crap. Holy crap. Up like 27% plus since we, you know, since someone in our community requested it. We identified it, posted a trade setup, and just went berserk. LTCN already broke out yesterday. I do think Sol's okay. I think it's performing pretty well, and you're in an uptrend. And things aren't even crazy yet. So I think, like, you know, I mean, like, maybe protect yourself below 171, but I think wherever a pullback happens, it's going to be a higher low than the previous lows, and they're going to run it again. You're going to see a higher high eventually. So you didn't have to be here yesterday if you're in the Patreon/Citadel Stick BR. You didn't have to. It was hand delivered to you in the trade setups tab.
$3 from Echo Leaf, Baba Booey.
Oh, nice. It worked. Oh, I didn't even know you could super chat $3. I thought YouTube was just like, herder, we got to do $2.99, $3.99, $4. You can do a super chat. Yeah. Baba Booey, thank you, dude. Thank you. It worked. Height. Okay, there's your Sol, and then we can look at XRP. Another day, another flat day. XRP trading at the same price it was trading at in 2020. Trading at the same price it was trading at in 2017. Hype in the chat. XRP. My higher lows, they're there. There's higher lows and sideways today. Eventually higher prices if Bitcoin continues its journey, which we know it's gonna happen. We just don't know when, and it pretty much is just math. It's just cause and effect of the amount of money that's being printed, how much debt Western countries are taking on. It is spiraling out of control, and you will see the correlation of asset prices in the future.
Man beyond Bobo is the JMCR Ammer of CRIP to get WRECK and VRs. I'm Augie NBTT Ingaga and SDBLACKROC 3.258921330 KNC.
Bobo, thanks for the $3 worth of KNC. Thank you, dude. Get wrecked, yeah. We got Kramer stuff, yeah. No one's talking about fresh longs on assets that are near their highs, Moji, man. He's talking about taking profit. I'm saying, like, one could do that if they want, but I think, like, any pullback, you're in an uptrend and it's well established, it's undeniable. You'll get pullbacks, that's fine. Those are just times to dollar cost average into assets that are in uptrends. Talking about hate, dude.
$20 from Sergio Cisneros. Can you take a look at Helium Moable?
Yeah, well, get wrecked, dude. I know you're kidding, but get wrecked. Thank you. Thank you. Sergio, what's up? Thanks for 20. Helium. Hype for the helium. We'll do it. We'll look, man. Okay, those are your bigger cryptos. We looked at Ravencoin first because it just hit that target at the trade setup. Amazing. Then you can look at Verocity, that, my God, man. The framework was there. And you're on the way, right? Again, up 27+% really since this was posted and published yesterday. Sometimes it's like that. Can't believe it was on Coinbase. Can't believe it was like this. Can't believe how perfect it was.
Hi Mitch, really appreciate you streams. They are full of knowledge, folded hands. Can you please have a look at Starlust on Oaks? Thank you.
Bukalulu, thank you so much for the $28 contribution. We will look at Starl to the US dollar Tether, sure. On OKX, we will do that, sir. Cheers. We continue on. Remember, good start on ICX. So that trade setup that was posted several days ago. Was it 2 or 3 days ago? Something weird that is impossible, but it happened, was on the Binance Exchange icon. There was a painted piercing line reversal. And one thing you just gotta say is like, you can't ignore Asian people painting piercing line reversals on a crypto market. It's just, how do you ignore that? Something's going on. They did it, man. And here we go. All right, just think about it. Like Japanese candlestick patterns and Asian people painting Japanese candlestick patterns. And then after those patterns are painted, it goes up 30% in 6 days. What the? Like, that's it. You can't ignore Asian people painting Asian patterns. Okay. Way higher to go, though, if this is real. I mean, yeah, I can double tap. Bring out Bobo again. You're reinitiating short. Okay, but eventually, if the trend remains as is, which is up 45 cents plus in time, up 8.5%.
$19.99 from Everything Sean Ryan Show. Hey, I'm a big fan, would have yours. Would you mind looking king at NEM on the stock market?
Hold on one sec. I forgot to love all these. Literal love. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Sean Ryan Show. Oh, what's your show about, man? What are you doing? What are you talking about on the show? Nemesis? Oh, NEM on the stock market. We will look. Yes, it is on the list. Thank you for your first super chat like ever on the stream. Thank you, man, for watching. Just continuing on some of these gainers today. Shiba back above that 28.63 level, which is like 1/100th of a penny, or I'm sorry, 2.8 1/100ths of a penny or something stupid. Maybe it's 1,000. I don't know. And then, you know, you 35.55 up there is the target. They're going to attempt to rally, even if it just is a massive double top. But they'll probably attempt to rally to these levels eventually. Litecoin had a good day. You know, I mean, there's just really not much here on Litecoin. You'd think like $100, 105, 110 again. Remember, we're thinking on the weekly that this could be the bottom. And like once they break 110 eventually, because there's going to be supply there. Certainly there's been supply. If the buyers are ever able to absorb the supply that remains at this inflection zone, quick 140. It'll be the Litecoin show at some point in the future. Just hadn't happened yet. So nice day. It's all about big time. I mean, look, you know, you just think that no harm, no foul, actually. I mean, yeah, you had some, I mean, that is testing the hearts of men and elves, whatever. But either way, the level was defended. It's like 1 and 2 here. And the upside takes you to 48.51 cents again from here. That's about it. So
Fat Satanic Manbun. 0.015670000 Sol.
I don't know about that, fat guy. I I don't know if he's satanic. We don't have to go that far, but thank you for the $3 contribution. Much love. Big time, all right? I mean, from here,
Hi
target
Mitch,
48
can you
51
check out
cents.
SPX 6900? Thanks in advance, 0.0055599 for ETH.
Anonymous, we can look at the Standard & Poor's 6900, sure. Thank you, dude. We'll look at it. Again, we're just looking at, okay, Algorand on Mega Breakout Watch. Everyone should be having an alert set up around 28.8 cents, because if you hear that alert, you know some...
More like big crime.
Thank you. Sole, I'm not sure if you're... Hey, he liked me and now he switched to hating me, and he's not kidding anymore, and he's serious. I mean, that could happen. That's probably happened before. So Sole, not sure what's going on. Thanks, dude. Okay, so big levels here on deck. Algo breaks it. 35 to 37 cent target up there. The trend's your friend. All you can do is DCA on your favorite Beanie Babies while they're in uptrends. Yeah. AXS, which is, to me, man, this is stupendous. It's almost like they've just confirmed it, you know, like, okay, here's one test, here's the second test, so much demand. Confirmed it, right? I mean, substantially higher lows than the previous lows. Nice dragon performance, right? I think if AXS
$4.99 from Nathan Harvey.
Plus.
Have you heard about the book by Major Jason Laurie called Soft War that the US took down? Bitcoin related.
Nathan, no, I have not. Appreciate the contribution. Tell us about it, man. Tell us about it. Cheers. Okay, Sully says he still loves. Okay. Yeah, AXS weekly is like, you just wait, and you just have, if you don't have patience, get wrecked, dude. Get absolutely destroyed if you don't have patience. But if you have patience, the world will be yours. Life-changing money is coming on the altcoin market. It's just, can you wait? Can you wait 3 to 6 to 9 months? I don't know if you can. I really don't know. So, I mean, like, just like on Uniswap when it was type 2 returning on the weekly with the engulfing candle, it's like, this will play out, but it might take a couple months, and it did. It took 2-3 months and went up 250, 300%. So we're in the same situation on a lot of other coins, and it's like, I don't know if you can do it. I really don't know. I know like a few of y'all can, but a lot of y'all just rage quit and turn off the stream and come back when, you know, AXS is at $68. Being like, why didn't I know about this? Why didn't you say anything? It's like, get wrecked. Get so wrecked. Like KNC on the weekly, like, you have to understand like what's really kind of happening. The composite operator has been accumulating position for a very long time, say 7, 8, 9 months. Right? It's virtually like a woman's gonna have a baby. The composite man's been, you know, harboring a baby, but a position, and the baby grows and grows and grows and gets bigger and bigger inside of the stomach of the composite operator, and the higher lows represent the growth of the baby, and at some point the baby's gonna pop out. And you're gonna see $2 KNC and beyond. And you won't be able to believe it. You may not even be here when it happens, because you've forgotten, you just quit, because you ran out of patience. Yeah, these weekly charts are insane. It's just a DCA type of market. It's just incredible what they've done. I can't even believe how perfect it was. You can't even make this up. Like November 2020, December 2020, look at that. Before the markup, all they've done is back tested it formally as support like the Jesus. And now you're just butting up against the top of the trading range. This was probably the backup, the BU. Okay, more like DYDX. Again, you saw it yesterday. We look at it almost every day of the stream. DCA environment. You're just dollar cost averaging into this asset as much as you can. Any pullbacks, you're buying incrementally, and then you are with the composite. The composite man is with you. Okay, it's not just you. More than before. What's possibly beautiful about this, and it could change. Bitcoin just rugs like, oh, it was bearish Gartley, and we're gonna collapse now. And Man Bum was right. Maybe we go lower, but something amazing right now until it changes is the fact that, are you trying to tell me that there's so much demand on DYDX that the sellers have utterly failed to go retest the top of the trading range and the demand line? Oh my God. Die. Yeah.
Crypto_hoarder tipped $101.02. Patient man wins, 101.00000000 die.
£20 from Cosmic Constructs. Hey Mitch, can you look at RKLB stock?
Stablecoin.
Thanks for the stream as always.
DAE. Thank you, man. Whoa, look at the Bobo. Did you see the Bobo just freak out? Oh man, maybe there's low gravity on the Bobos. So, Cosmic Constructs, you just wrecked Bobo out of the jar. Thank you. We'll look at RKLB. Crypto Hoarder, you got a request, man. You're just here to hang out. All right, dude. The patient man does win. But right, like I'm saying, before the pandemonium right there, too much demand, sellers failing to test the levels, not just the horizontal, the diagonal, the upsloping. Yeah, I wonder if it's a mega sign of strength there. Verdict's out on Bitcoin. But that could be amazing. Oh boy, are you trying to, oh, you can't even make this. Oh, it's so stupidly good, man. It's like it doesn't even matter. Like it can't be argued with or denied, because no matter what swing low or what histogram island you use, it is indubitable hidden divergence. Because this higher low right here, it's higher than every single one of these lows. So we have undeniable, indubitable, hidden bullish divergence on DYDX on the daily. And same situation for the RSI. You're diverging and it's hidden, and we're getting close to some resolution up there. So beautiful. Okay. Very cool. Comp. Man, you gotta wonder. The stage is really set here. It's a back test, buyers defending, and you're up against this last level here. It's all about the weekly, but above that November 2020 low, it's like a 110, 152 plus target. It's crazy. Composite man accumulating down here. Wow. All right. We look at other things like Uniswap's starting to get really close again. I mean, there's like, you could say 1 and 2, like hidden divergence maybe on the RSI. But the, 13 to 14 bucks is a big deal if they're ever able to re-break that. I mean, you got Rolex levels up there. Right? They're defending. Buyers defending once and twice now. Just imagine, man. Like, what if Bitcoin does it? What if Bitcoin's going? Like, the altcoins are about to freak out. YFI is good. YFI is insane. I mean, like, practically speaking, they're putting in a higher low. It's like a DYDX thing, like situation. Okay, so if you understand YFI, there are only a couple levels that are really making sense for support resistance. And 174.53, that old swing low from November 2020. It's been a swing low, a reversal, swing high, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low for a minute, and then it was reconfirmed as support. But are we witnessing right now so much demand on YFI that the sellers are unable to retest that 74.53 with undeniable RSI hidden bullish divergence? Is that real? Because if that's real, see you at 14,158. A sign of strength maybe going on, assuming Bitcoin doesn't like collapse. But yeah, man, that's wild. That's really good price action. Oh, by the way, we got to talk. How's Jonathan doing? Jonathan, everything okay over there, man? You hanging in there?
I like turtles.
Me too, man. I like totals. Here it is. Here's your totals on the daily. Last level of Verocity. We are at it, right? Right there, man. The high from May of 2021. They are trying to break it. Trying so hard.
£15.75 from FD. Yo, Mitch, ILC/USDT thoughts, please.
Thank you for the 1987 contribution, FD Super Chat. We will look at RLC to USDT. We'll look at it. It's on the list now. All right. Yeah, I mean, right there, man. That's how close we are. You think above that, 2.91 to 3 trillion, which is all-time highs up there. Wow, crazy. Yeah, things happening across this market. Some things crazier than others, of course. Let's real quick, just real quick. Look at the, wow, man. How are they doing it, man? Who are these freaking bots? Look at this. Look how they're doing it, man. They're figuring out a way. All right, so still respecting this wedge channel going back to December. It's a 2024 phenomenon. 4 down days in a row. Okay, time to head to 528 somehow. Crazy. Not much to look at besides, wow, all-time highs up here above the 12725 extension. Okay, cool. DJIE. Yeah, dude, fizzy lifting drinks. Grandpa Joe and Charlie Bucket up here, man. Some of y'all remember that. Here's the Dow Jones. You know, fill the gap, pulling back. Down, 3 days now. Bearish engulfing, catching some fall through. No telling, man. There's just when assets or index funds for this situation are so high, there's certainly nothing to do but look at them. You can't strategize or manage risk appropriately, really. There's no, I guess you're just continuing to diverge bearishly on the RSI. But I'm just seeing so many times these index funds, the divergence just fails. So you're just elevated up here. Here we are, the NASDAQ composite bearish engulfing candle confirmed, lowest daily candle close since March 19th. And it's still confined within. I don't even know how this is possible, but they've done it. How is this real? What world is this? Look, they did it. They made another slightly higher high with even lower levels. So we're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's okay. Sextuple bearish divergence. I don't think I've ever in my life said sextuple bearish divergence on the on anything. guess we got sextuple RSI on the, or bearish divergence on the RSI as well. So you figure that's not going to end well. Buyers are so exhausted. But it's like, okay, it's the Fed. It's the money printer going burr. It's not humans, right? I don't know, man. I don't know what to make of this. That's psychotic. You think it wouldn't end well? We'll see. Find out on the next episode of Mitch Ray TA. IWM. I know that we've just back tested a resistance as support, but the issue was always on the IWM. Cool story, bro. Right above you, there's another insane level of inflection, right? Inflection zone. And they're just like not able to do anything. I'm not going to be messing with the IWM. I don't know if you should either. I don't think it's ever going to outperform other funds based on the fact that over 30% of these assets on the Russell 2000 don't make money ever. Might as well just own an S coin. Play the lottery. But yeah, it's just, you can't really get excited about an asset that might be breaking a range it's been confined in since August 2022 when there's just resistance support just above it. Like the beauty of like buying low is like maximum upside potential. But sometimes on breakouts, like even when you're breaking and back testing, there's still going to be insanely limited upside. You're looking for blue skies. There's nothing blue sky until you're breaking 213. And then you could see a run to 230. But until then, it's just... and then you think about sextuple bearish divergence on the spider and the NASDAQ composite or whatever. How in the world does sextuple bearish divergence on those index funds play out and it resolves bearishly and this thing doesn't get wrecked? That's another thing. You're just like, I don't know, man. I'm not going to take action on this and go long. Almost looks like we got like a... Do we have like a rising wedge? Oh, wedging, man. Bearish divergence here too, like a high. And then you're slightly higher high and lower levels. Just whatever, man. It's been a good run. Insane run, actually. Oh, look at gold. Gold? They're getting aggressive up there, aren't they? These wicks.
27 Canadian dollars and 17 cents from Sully. Hey Mitch, glad I found you in 2021
yeah.
Even if it was late. You're the GOAT. Can you look at MD? I know it already broke out but curious what's next.
So thank you for finding me. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel. We will look at MindMed or whatever it's called. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks. Oh, in Canada. My God, dude. I don't know how if you're Canadian, you're surviving. Like, do you understand? Like, if you're Canadian, you're watching stream, you do understand that your government is like going full on communist right before your eyes, right? If you don't know that, you might have been subject to their propaganda machine. So, if you're in Canada, good luck, dude. Best of luck to you. Okay. Gold, I mean, this is great. I mean, all-time highs up here. Yeah, eventually 2359, the 1618. There's just a lot of demand. And really, no one's coming in to sell either. Central banks going berserk on bidding. They're max bidding gold. They've been doing that too. Okay. Let's, yeah, it's definitely a few requests. Let's see here. First real request was, well, we looked at big time. Yeah, we've already looked at big time. Yep. So Bush, it does look, you're at that level, right? They defended it for a second time, and it kind of confirmed accumulation's real. And yeah, there's upside to 38 to 50 cents or whatever I said. Sol, we looked at Authority. Thank you. We'll look at Litecoin now for Schiller. Good God. Night, US dollar tether. Okay. Looks like. I mean, it's in an uptrend, you know. Not a good day today, down 20%. I think, like, I don't know about this one, but the KuCoin shakeup has probably wrecked some coins. I think, like, what you had? ARX got wrecked, KuCoin block. Yeah, some are down today. But, yeah, with this, I don't really see anything that I would never long Litecoin. Maybe you get an M shape. That means you'd have to be going back. You'd have to lose like 60% of your value. There's nothing on this chart that screams it's time to long right now strategically, and we can set up a stop loss, entry with max upside. Nothing. I don't care what happens next to it. It's just my opinion, man. I mean, how are we doing it? We're gonna do like, oh, a demand line between these two levels. Whatever. I just have fun with that. I'm not intrigued. What are we going to do? There's just not much to work with on this asset. Thanks for the contribution. The Forest Night. Where's the Ocean Night and the Twilight Night and the Mountain Night? They can't all be named Night. They should have thought about that. They could have had like a collection of S coins like Beanie Babies, dude. Limited edition S coin nights. Helium Will. Helium Mobile Connect. Wow. On KuCoin.
$3 from Joel Franzone. Mitch, can we look at SNDL? First TP hit.
Joel. Thank you. Yeah, the weed stocks, man. It's crazy. Looks like they're actually doing it. I'll see what I can do, man. Sounds like you're in the Patreon. Yeah, I mean, something like this, it's not much data. Is the framework there? Nah. They're trying to back test a high as support. Sure. You want to take your chance? 4.10 or 4.062 tenths of 1 penny. By all means, place your bids, I guess. I don't know if it's going to hold, and if it doesn't, it's going way lower, way fast. So maybe they do defend it. I don't ever act like I know if the market participants will defend it or not. But what I do know is I gain more confidence to believe they will when there's forms of confirmation at those levels. And so far, this is just one test that I can see on the daily. I want to be able to see 2 tests, and it's like there's no doubt. Matt Damon, thank you for the $3 contribution. He just said BBIO. Thank you for the BBIO words. Yeah, that's it. That's your mobile helium. Again, if the framework's not there, I'm just kind of like, I don't know what to tell you.
What up, Mitch? Can you peep out on KuCoin? Looks like a DCA
like
area.
2 levels. It's like, that's it. That's all we can talk about. Starlink on OKX. Well, it looks like a new base got put in, right? So old levels from history right here and here. Yep. So they're defending.
Did I miss
level.
Dogecoin? Might get close on the 1D concern Doge.
Oh, no, you did not miss it. We will look at it, though. It's on the list now. Thank you so much, dude. Anything above 17.87 cents is a freaking really big deal on Doge. 34-cent target on Doge eventually, just not sure when. Pretty interesting here on Starlink to Tether. It's an interesting name. Yeah. I like how they have you had these, like this base here, but something's changed after these two rallies. Now these lows are coming in and they are slightly higher than all these other lows we've seen. So, and wow, we have some hidden bullish divergence on the MACD histogram and the RSI. So you have implied continuation the upside. And if you were going to target, it's pretty easy because we have some history. Wow, dude, history is a big deal, man. Like a couple other ones we're looking at, it's like, what do you want, man? Like there's nothing there. Like at least this goes back to 2022. You got a little inflection zone that you can see why I'm plotting it, because they were the first times ever. And then later down the road, you got price action. It correlated to it again. So the closer you are to 2866 to 3200, the max upside you have to the next level, and the easier it's going to be to strategize an entry and a stop loss. Right? Would you want to own Starlink to Tether below 2866? No, you wouldn't, because we know what will probably happen below that. A lot lower to go, man. So I like the local and lately price action you're seeing on this asset. 1 and 2 here. These two are higher than these lows more than before, and an edge implying continuation upwards. So if it was going to respect the TA here, 5666 to 6018 up there, and I know it's paired to the US dollar. I'm just saying that to not waste time. Not saying, oh, you want me to say 3 1,000ths of a penny? No, I'm good. I'm not going to do that. So, yeah, see the range? It's no different. All right, you look at ranges and then you say, okay, all right, well, how's the price action correlating to levels here? Oh, okay, here's the bottom of a range. Okay, so they're formally holding it. They're breaking back above the level. And it's like, wait, that's exactly why the long trade setup was published. Because we had witnessed buyers defending the bottom of a trading range. They recaptured and then they reconfirmed it, and that's a signal to long, especially when they breach the bottom of the zone. That was it. That's all it was. Oh wow, and it didn't even, let's play it for real. It didn't even do it. I guess it's not gonna update. Kidding me, man? There it is. There it is. Perfect, man. It still hasn't updated all the way. Beautiful. Same situation. On any asset, you're trying to buy positive price action at bottom of trading ranges because you inherently have the maximum upside potential. $70,000, $69,986. Sorry, get wrecked 70K. You were nothing to me. You were never gonna do it. It's time for your local on the 8s. Oh my God. Let's just go back to Bitcoin before the daily close. Nothing crazy at all today. It was a very tame day. While a few altcoins flourished. Not many, but a few. Remember on Bitcoin, the daily hidden bullish divergence. Going to see what it's made of. Right? If this right here, what is identified with a low and a discernible higher low, if that performs well, a test of all-time highs is coming. They're going to do it. They'll test it. That's probably as far as you could take hidden bullish divergence if it's going to just perform moderately. If it outperforms, oh yeah, all-time highs, 80K, whatever. 80,000 probably, 77, 78K. And then Ethereum, remember doing, well, they're trying. It's really close. We have 40 seconds and they're trying. Right, remember we had a confirmed bullish breakout back above an overhead resistance from 2022 yesterday. And today you're seeing them attempt to reconfirm its validity as support. Because anytime a level gets violated, buyers have to not just recapture, but you really want to see them reconfirm it with a back test. And they are doing that. It will be confirmed in 13 seconds. Let us wait and see if it's possible. Can they do it, chat? 3, 2, 1. It is confirmed. Reconfirmed as support when it was once resistance. Hype in the freaking chat. See if it holds. See what it manifests into. If what the break in the back test holds, you have a target of $4,000. $4,000. That's it. Your daily closed on Bitcoin, positive. Highest daily candle close confirmed on Bitcoin since March 14th, 2024. And officially, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your fifth highest candle close in human civilization's history. The fifth highest ever. I know, fifth place, whatever, dude. Pop your champagne. Bite your bronze medal, your fifth place medal, and rejoice. We did it, man. But again, I just, any day Bitcoin is trading above 69K is a day that I will be happy. I will be a happy man. That's it. I'm not worried about the future or anything else. Above 69K.
Oh, it feels so good.
Oh, it's good.
That's how I feel. So tomorrow, we close above 69K. It's going to be a sexual chocolate, that boy good, dynamite day again. All right? Not worried about 70K, worried about 69K. Okay, so that's it for those. A little look on the 8s action, top of the hour. We can continue on the request situation. NEM for Sean Ryan. NEM. New York Stock Exchange. This is Newmont Corporation. Sitting sideways, man. Been here before, but only a whoop. Yep. Terrible trend. Okay, the trend is garbage. This is not something one's looking to long. You're kind of in scalper territory. I mean, it is, you got an initial reaction off a level from history that has been reactive, right? The bids have come in, $30.
Can we take a look at ARRR Pirate Chain?
Mr. Lodic, thank you for the 20. We will look at the Pirate Chain. Look at the pirates. Arr. Good Lord. Okay, so the level, right? Resistance, 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 resistance. Oh my God. It's like, how far are we going to go back? My God, it's been support. Oh God, it's been resistance. 1981. Newmont. Get the heck out of here. All right, so you're testing a 1981 level and then unlimited times before. Yeah, there's supply line. The trend's garbage though, man. It's garbage. There's no evidence, right? What you want, man, I guess when you're looking for bottoms is you're looking for bottoming bases. Like this thing could go on an epic short squeeze and run and go to $44 and you're just hooting and hollering. But I'm telling you, eventually, who controls this market right now? Who controls this asset? Sellers do, not buyers. So if there's no composite operator interested in accumulating an asset, why do you want to own it? You don't want to own it. We can identify the composite operator's signature of accumulation, his buying campaign, all the time. We do it all the time. And on this asset, there is no composite man. The composite man, the genius, he knows everybody. He has unlimited money and resources. He's not doing it. He's not here. He's not on this chart. There are no animal spirits here.
Hi.
So I would never
touch
this.
Jasm? Any large pullback? Thanks.
NB, thank you for the first super chat ever. Thank you, dude. And not just that, it's like you got one test. So you need even another test, a confirmation low, like 1 and 2. You don't have it. Yeah, at least like here, like they turned it around with a huge wave up and they pulled it back. They back tested before it ran again. But it's kind of amazing how there was a massive right angled and ascending broadening formation before they broke it. Bearish back test once and then twice, and it's just been number go down ever since. I wouldn't touch it right now. I don't think there's any justification for taking action on this asset, even if it was to go up next, man. It's just most likely going to put in a lower high in the previous high and roll over again and retest $30 eventually. Look to where the composite man is buying. He's not buying this at all. It would be a freak event for a news-driven catalyst for this thing to really do something. Just change it around real fast. Nope. You got hands-off Newmont, unfortunately, but I appreciate the contribution. Okay, SPX 6900. That's not a thing. Wait, it actually is. It's on Uniswap. How is this a thing? Oh my God, man. People making me look at this stuff. If I was forced to look at this, I would say I wouldn't touch it till we ever got a back test of 1.8 tenths of one whatever. It's wrapped ether. I don't know. I would wait for an M shape to complete. Like, I wouldn't touch this. I don't care what it does next. I would wait till an M shape completes. I would wait for this. It's so perfect. It's not really that perfect. Oh, it's pretty close. My God. The closer you are to 1121, 1840, the closer you are to being able to strategize an entry to stop loss below levels. So, whatever, dude. Okay. Requesting stuff like this, what can you expect? What do you want me to do? Like, it's a joke. It's a scam. And it's not close enough to the bottom yet. Even if it holds this level, congrats. That's great, man. I wouldn't touch it, but have fun. Have fun with your lotto meme coins. God. Thank you, dude. RKLB. Wow. Wow. Reminds me of Sundial and SDIG and all these miners and weed stocks. Can't say it's not down there, but my God, no one is buying this crap. I mean, you're at a level where, who knows? I mean, this is in June of 2022. It's the same price. But yeah, you got yourself a type 1 and now a type 2. And within the type 2, there's a confirmation low. So you got bullish divergence there, maybe on the MACD. Yeah, I mean, if this is going to play out, which you just never know if it will, it's aerospace and defense, Rocket Lab. You have a target of 731 up there if they ever come in to buy. That's the question, though. Will the buyers come in at this level now and finally because of the type 2 return? And on the type 2 return, we have a local confirmation low, like that's like type 2. And here's type 2 again, confirming a bottom at this level, this 350, 380 level. You got a chance, man. If you want to take action on this, by all means, you could. You could construct an argument very easily for risk management. It's just, will they ever buy? Remember, see, Rocket Lab's trading at the same price it was trading at 651 days ago. Whew. A long time waiting. But we do have a major structure that has been in development now at this point, 350 days. This is a year-large M-shaped type 2 return. That's real. So just pay attention here to Rocket Labs. Well, everyone calm down with this music. What the? I'm just going to do RKLB and I'm going to do a Pepe shrug. emoji for this for the Patreon, because it's like meh. It's there. You got it. They got the framework. It's real. Okay, Derek A, thank you so much for joining the Patreon earlier. He said he knows it's late, but he wanted in on the current setups. Thank you so much, dude. Be sure to sing the Patreon on the Discord. I think you know that by now, but really appreciate it. Remember, if you want to join the Patreon/Citadel right now, you would probably join on a desktop via the Discord. Patreon is the first of the month. That's when you want to join Patreon if you want to do it that way. So, yep, RKLB, hype in the chat, have some alerts set up. It could be, dude, this is what they look like before they play out or fail. So, right? I mean, like this and Hive. What's the difference between this and Hive? There's not much of a difference. It's like it's the same picture, dude. Gosh dang. First level positive momentum seen today on Hive since February 29th. The framework. And it's all, you're looking for the framework to conclude its maturation at key inflection points. You got it here. You got it on the other one. Tilray didn't have it. Tilray had it, the harmonic framework. It just was kind of in no man's land. It was all-time lows. That was the difference, you know. But look at that. Tilray, they're back at 244, the level from 2020, that old all-time low. If they break that, I mean, you're probably looking at a 337 target. But wow, the M shape, the type 2 return, it's there. Just like it was in the other two. Cool. And thanks to the 843 people tuned in. If you're enjoying the live stream, please hit that like button, the bell, that sub. Be sure to join the Discord. The link is pinned in the chat. It's free to join. But there are educational resources in the Discord. You get notified when I go live. YouTube will fail to notify you when I go live at a random time because Bitcoin's pumping or dumping. And you get, you stay connected to this whole live chat right now when the stream inevitably ends. Yeah, the later you get in the month, you should be joining the Citadel. Yeah. Okay, let's go to RLC for FD. RLC iExec Connect. Well, been here before, and it's the party is beyond you. You are way late to the party. You never know when the party will end when you show up late. Up here, no man's land. It's nothing to do, right? I mean, we have evidence from before the craziness, right? But like now, you're just in a level where you're flipping coins. You're at the slot machines or the roulette table right now on RLC. 246, yep, could hit. 540 could hit. Dead middle. You're in no man's land, and the structure doesn't really look that great. I mean, it's a nice, well-established uptrend, so the bearish pattern could fail. But my God, you go to this 12-hour, it looks like a nasty head and shoulders. Until it's not, someone could say diamond pattern too. You could definitely get away with saying it's a diamond because you have valid anchoring on all four sides. Anchoring, you have to have two minimum. You are nearing resolution too, are you not? Probably all belong like that. Diamonds are never really supposed to look perfect, but you got it. You do have yourself a pretty rare looking structure. Could also be painted like that, but I'm thinking right there. Yeah, after that drawdown, right 1 and 2 on this side. So you have a valid diamond that is nearing the apex, and when a diamond's nearing the apex, the probability increases of resolution, whether it's a continuation diamond or a reversal diamond, and that is it. That's where we are on RLC. Wow. So not a good situation for risk management. Diamonds, it's the warring between buyers and sellers. That is a very neutral pattern. You have a neutral pattern that is completely developed in the dead middle of two mega ranges, two mega levels, right? 217 and 539. It's the most coin flippish asset you could dream of right now. It's like a coin flip within a coin flip. That's RLC. And that's okay. Nice diamond though. That's beautiful, isn't it? Anyone got anything to say about this diamond? That's pretty spectacular. Okay, maybe it's visible on the daily. Shoot, dude, I guess it's visible on the daily too. Wow, that's pretty. That's really pretty. And beautiful.
$5 from Kino Zoomer. I bought some $LL new. After seeing it posted in your chat the other day, do you know if it's a good buy?
No, I will not do TA.
Could you do some TA on it?
You know, that word got banned because too many of y'all from your Telegram came in here and you were shilling it. If you do that, your whole community is banned. So thank you for the contribution, but I will not be looking at that S coin because it's very nefarious and it's undeniable what y'all are trying to do. You're not welcome here. Your community or your little S coin team, you're not welcome here. But guess what? Every other crypto whatever streamer, they'll love it, dude. Go there and shill your crap to them because they're gonna be all over. They'll probably take money from y'all to push it. So you'll get a lot more from other influencers, YouTubers, whatever. Okay, let's go to good God, dude. It is crazy, man. G-Tron, I mean, like, yeah, you saying that, you're not my friend. You're not an actual viewer or someone who respects me to say that. So, whatever. Keep talking, dude. Yeah, I mean, like, whatever. Sundial. Yeah, right. See, it's like the other ones we were looking at. They're like down at these basement levels. No one's buying them until they do. And then it gets violent really fast on high volume and highest daily candle close since September of 2023 up against the big level. If they break that, it's going to be a pretty smooth ride to 235, 245. Sundial, marijuana's the cannabis.
Is that a joint?
All right, next request was for Anano. Nope, it was for Mugs. Oh yes, Verocity. Well, old Verocity, man, was the king. You had yourself some sort of M-shaped Gartley, and now it's pulling back, and it's gonna possibly continue to pull back. I mean, they could defend 9/10 of 1 cent, maybe. But I think it would be best if you were if you're a real VRA fan and you want to get the best type of situation. I think you would probably want to wait for, that level, that 7.5 of 1 cent level has never been formally back tested or regarded as support since they broke it, really. So what you would want is to wait for the asset to do something like this. If you got that, that's actionable. That's the dream. That's what you're looking for if you're trying to long assets that are already in established uptrends, right? You're looking for opportunity. There is none right now, but if they can get it down to 7.5.
Thank you for all the great tips and tricks. Jonathan Nation all day, every day. Side note, my homie Abnu is a progressive house DJ and he might be open to you streaming his beats. If not, you should check him out on the side anyway.
Stray, thank you, dude.
Is that a joint?
Sure thing, man. Go ahead. Feel free to DM me some of his sets. Sure, dude. Thanks. Oh, wow. Holy crap. Chris the Piss, thank you so much for the 9 months of continued support in the Citadel/Patreon. And Stu0022, thank you for the 12 months, the official 1 year of support in the Citadel/Patreon. I'm in the freaking chat. Y'all did that very recently, like while I was streaming. So thank both of y'all. Much love.
You see what happens, Larry?
Thank you, dude. What? Hoarderman? What? Hold on. Didn't you do it earlier? Something's going on. Let me see here. Now give me 2 seconds. Bitcoin back above $70,000. How about the chat? Or else. Now give me 2 seconds here, okay? I'm gonna disconnect and reconnect. BitConnect. What? Yes, yes. Okay, I'm gonna do a test here. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. We're doing a little test here. Quarterman, there's the test. It seems good. Let me know, and if it still doesn't work, then yeah, right. If it doesn't work, I'll have to do one more thing. So I think that was good. So yeah, again, man, it's not about like what an asset's doing right now or what it will do. Like, what if it just pumps tomorrow? Who cares? Congratulations on the coin flip. If you were to long VRA right now, you are at the slot machine, pulling the lever, you're at the roulette table. But if you wait for something to develop that we can identify and it's happening at a key level, then you are playing the market. You're going to play poker, the game of skill. Right now, game of chance. Bearish back test of 1.1 cents as resistance. Well, that's not good. If you get this, you're at the poker table, pocket aces, ace king, ace queen, suited. Right now, you're a degen weirdo, smoking your cigarettes in Vegas, completely at the whims of the algos and the computers. Get wrecked, dude. You're gonna get wrecked. So wait for something good to happen. It's not there yet. Thanks, dude. Let's look here and listen. Let's see. Order man. Oh, we're good. Fantastic, dude. Thank you, man. I don't know why it does that. Communication's the way to win, though. That's for sure. Okay, so Dogecoin was on deck. Let's go to Doge. But bro, it's Dogecoin. It's gonna take over the world. All right, so you do have. Wow, did they do it? They did it, man. Jesus chimes. You know what just happened? Like 46 minutes, I don't know, 44 minutes ago, Doge had its highest daily candle close confirmed since January of 2022. Took out the high, the daily close from March 4th, the close from March 11th. You've done it, man. That happened, and I'm just reporting it, right? A bullish engulfing candle and a close back above 17.87 cents. We're just waiting for 34. Anytime the price is above that long enough, you're waiting for 34 cents. You're waiting for a Jesus candle. You're waiting. If you're in on Doge, you're waiting patiently for Moon. We're at Elon Musk tweeting levels now. Just waiting for the tweet. Waiting for the composite man to do his thing. All right, that's Doge. Major development here. Our pirate chain, okay. Boy. Let's check out the pirate man. What a loser. But I understand it's a loser, but it is starting to get interesting because of the way it is. That's pretty neat. So you can see this low, okay, from December 2020, candle close from February 2021. It's now being regarded as support a couple times. That's nice. That's some nice, like, look, they violated and they finally and officially recaptured the level and confirmed it as support again. Very nice. So despite anything, one could manage the risk appropriately with a stop loss below 14.9 cents now. Let this thing ride if it's real. But that's a 99% retrace from the low to that highest high way up there. But terrible trend. You put in your first higher low and God knows when. I mean, when's the last time there was a higher low on ARG? Maybe back in 2021 sometime. Yeah, your first higher low, chat. And the higher low is strategic, it looks like. Yeah. Stop loss below 14 something cents and let this thing ride to probably, I think if you were going to play this, you just Babe Ruth it, swing for the fence. The fence would be 45 cents. So it's a pretty big deal. I mean, you got like this high too and low. Okay, so two targets, 26 cents, 45 cents on R. If those targets get hit, I'll be a pirate or something, right? I never did the Harry Potter stream. I know it was so cringe. I didn't know how I was going to do it. I'm going to figure out how to be Harry Potter at some point, and eventually be a pirate if these levels, if 45 cents gets hit, okay? After that, it's interesting for sure. Intriguing. Risk management levels, yes.
That's our vision. We're trying to change the world.
Check it out.
To the scammers coming in here shilling.
But dude, it's
Get
Jasm.
wrecked. 100.0000000 USDT.
You are flipping coins. The time to play the market was lower. Now you're at the roulette table. You're at the slot machine. What are you going to do with this? How are you going to manage your risk? You can't. It's in an uptrend though, and it could continue. My God. Candle high close right there. In Japan, Altcoin #1. What? Oh my God, I didn't even, my lights didn't go off or anything, Hoarder. Dude, can we please get some, or I'm gonna lose my freaking mind. To the scammers, get wrecked. You see, you can't win as a hater. You can't win. Our allies are too great in number and of quality. You can't win if you hate me. You lose. You lose. The mission of what we are trying to accomplish here is too powerful for you to win if you are a hater. Give up. So 2.5 cents, man. I mean, what? A candle high close, and then there's the wick up there. 2.8. I mean, if they break that, wow, dude, you're on to something special. Jasm coin gonna head on up to nearly 5 cents. But there's a candle close at 4.3. Not much to do, but just to say, wow, it's cool, dude. Attempting a rally here like many other altcoins. All right. Oh, whoa. Is this real life or is that delayed? I don't know. I'm not going to miss.
They hate us
Ciao.
because they ain't us.
That's right. Thank you so much, dude. Chronic All-Star. Yeah, we'll look at Chow. Never heard of that. Maybe. Maybe I have. I don't know. Sometimes you just don't know. Okay, Jasm Connect. Cool. Coin flips. Gambling. Casino. House games. For now. You had your chance to play poker at the casino, the game of skill. But you're beyond that now. It's cool. see. It's in B, and then the next request was Chow. It was Chow. Oh, it's China to me. China. Chinese two-time levered. I guess this is two-time levered. I don't know. What are they doing? Bull. Oh, yeah. This is like, hey, I'm levered on China. It's like you think you're betting on China to go up in value. Chinese market. CSI 300.